Today's question: do we need to use a steel mesh? The steel mesh is primarily used during the solder paste printing stage in the PCBA process. It serves as a tool to distribute solder paste onto the PCB board. Its functions in PCBA processing include ensuring uniform solder paste printing, controlling the amount of solder paste, improving production efficiency, reducing soldering defects caused by the uneven distribution of solder paste, among others. It is important to note that regular inspections and cleaning are required when using steel mesh to ensure its stability and precision. Suppose the steel mesh is not used or not used properly. Potential issues may arise in that case, such as uneven distribution of solder paste, decreased production efficiency, unstable soldering quality, and increased production costs. Now, do you have the answer? In the next video, let's explore the manufacturing process of steel meshes together.